So children, we are doing synthetic fibers now, as we learnt about the basics of synthetic fiber and the comparative study in the previous video about what is the difference between synthetic fiber and natural fiber. It's very simple, just as the name say, naturally occurring fiber produced by plants or animals are natural fibers, and the fibers made by human beings are called artificial or synthetic fiber. Now very simply, first we have to understand that if human beings are making these fibers, they are using chemicals. So what happens, we have got compounds of carbon known as organic compounds. All the compounds of carbon except the oxides, that is carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide, or certain carbonates or bicarbonates, are not organic compounds. Remaining all the compounds of carbon are organic compounds. For example, a very simple compound of carbon we have studied, that is methane. You know, this is methane. This is methane, CH4. It is made up of one carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atom. Then we have got, just for your information, we have got ethene, and this is a very important compound, ethene. Ethene is a very important compound. Ethene. Later on in higher classes you will understand eth means 2 carbon and ene means double bond. So ethene is a very important organic compound. So now we see when ethene, a lot of ethene molecules, they will line up and chemically combine to form chains, and these chains can be very big. Then the reaction is called polymerization reaction, and the chain is known as a polymer. So 1 ethene, 2 ethene, 3 ethene, 4 ethene. As you see, ethene will in the figure you see ethene will form big chains, and then we will get polythene. So what is polymerization? First let us understand. Polymerization is that when small and identical organic unit, each unit being called as a monomer, combines to form a very large organic molecule, then the reaction is called polymerization reaction. So small and similar organic units called monomer are combining to form large organic molecules called polymer, and the reaction is called polymerization. So once again we get ethene. See, ethene is linked, there is a double bond in ethene. So this double bond opens up, and then what happens, it holds the hands of other ethene molecule, and you see polythene is formed. Polythene was one of the most important synthetic material to be invented, and after that after the invention of polythene, packaging industry got a different meaning. Now we have got so many polymeric substances, and among those polymeric substances we have got synthetic fibers too. So thank you. We go for the next video.